If you run a Shopify store and you're only offering shipping, there's a good chance that you're leaving some sales on the table. A lot of customers would actually prefer to pick up their order locally or have it delivered within their city instead of waiting a few days for shipping. Think about it. If someone lives 5 minutes away from your store, they might rather grab the item the same day rather than pay for shipping and wait 3 days. The good news is that Shopify has built-in tools that let you offer local pickup and local delivery directly from your checkout. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up both of these step by step inside your Shopify store. What's going on, everyone? My name is Eric Hunsaker, and on this channel, we focus on helping you build and grow online businesses with practical tutorials like this one. So let's jump right into the setup. Step 1, go to Shopify shipping and delivery settings. First things first, if you don't already have a Shopify account, you can click the link down below in the description to get started with a free 3-day trial. After that, your first 3 months are just $1 per month. So go ahead and get started with Shopify using the link down in the description below. Now, after you log into your Shopify admin dashboard, from the left sidebar, go ahead and click on settings and then click on shipping and delivery. This is where Shopify manages everything related to fulfillment, including shipping rates, pickup options, and local delivery. Once you're inside this page, you'll see several sections. So the two we're focusing on today are local pickup and local delivery. We'll start with local pickup first. Step 2, enable local pickup. So scroll down until you see local pickup and click setup. Shopify will now show you the locations connected to your store. These locations come from your Shopify location settings, which represent places where your inventory is stored or fulfilled. Select the location where customers will be able to pick up their orders. Then click manage. Now you'll see a few settings that you can configure. First, turn on this location offers local pickup. Once this is enabled, Shopify will begin showing the pickup option to customers at checkout. Next, you'll set an expected pickup time. This is important because customers want to know how soon their order will be ready. For example, you might set something like ready within 2 hours, ready within 24 hours, ready same day. Whatever you enter here will appear at checkout so customers understand when they can come pick up their order. Next, you'll add pickup instructions. This is where you give customers clear guidance on how to collect their order. For example, you might write something like, please bring your order confirmation email when picking up your order. Pickup hours are Monday through Friday from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. When you arrive, enter through the front door and ask for the online order desk. The clearer these instructions are, the smoother your pickup experience will be. Once that's finished, click save. Your store now officially offers local pickup. Step 3, test the pickup option. Now, before moving on, it's always a good idea to test the checkout experience. Go to your storefront and add a product to the cart. Proceed to checkout and enter a local address. If everything is configured correctly, you should now see pickup in store as a fulfillment option. Customers can choose that instead of shipping and select the location where they want to collect their order. If you have multiple store locations, Shopify will allow customers to pick the location that works best for them. Testing this step ensures everything works exactly how customers will experience it. Now let's move on to setting up local delivery. Step 4, enable local delivery. So go back to settings, shipping and delivery, and scroll down to local delivery section. You'll see the locations connected to your store. Click the location where you want to offer delivery. Then enable this location offers local delivery. Once that's turned on, Shopify will allow customers within your defined delivery area to choose delivery during checkout. Next, you need to define where you're willing to deliver. Now, Shopify gives you two main ways to do this. The first option is setting a delivery radius. For example, you might deliver within 10 miles of your store. Anyone within that radius will see local delivery as an option at checkout. This is one of the easiest ways to set up delivery if you're serving a specific geographic area around your store. Option 2, postal code delivery zones. The second option is defining delivery areas by postal code or zip code. This works well if your delivery area has irregular boundaries. For example, maybe you deliver to specific neighborhoods or certain cities. You can enter those postal codes and Shopify will only show the delivery option to customers in those areas. Step 5, set delivery pricing. Next, you'll decide whether you want to charge for delivery. Some stores offer free local delivery, especially if the customer spends a certain amount. Others charge a small delivery fee to cover transportation costs. Inside the settings, you can configure things like flat delivery fee, minimum order price, free delivery threshold. For example, you might set $5 delivery fee for orders under $50, free delivery for orders above $50. This can encourage customers to increase their cart size in order to qualify for free delivery. Once you've configured pricing, click save. Your store now supports local delivery. Step 6, managing local delivery orders. So now let's talk about what happens after a customer places a delivery order. When someone selects local delivery at checkout, their order will appear inside your order's dashboard just like any other order. However, Shopify will mark the fulfillment method as local delivery. From there, you can prepare the order, schedule delivery, print packing slips, mark the order as delivered. Some stores handle the deliveries themselves, while others work with local courier services or gig drivers. If you're doing deliveries yourself, it's helpful to batch orders together and plan efficient routes. There are also third-party Shopify apps that help optimize delivery routes and send customers real-time updates. All right, now let's go ahead and quickly run through where to find these settings inside of Shopify. So go ahead and click the link down below in the description. Again, you'll get a free 3-day trial. After that, your first 3 months are only $1. So all you need is an email to get started. So we'll go ahead and paste in an email here. And next it's gonna ask us to create a password. Go ahead and click on create account. Next it's gonna ask us to go ahead and put in our payment information, which you don't need to do right away. So I'm gonna go ahead and click skip, and I'm gonna go ahead and skip the customized setup. But if this is your very first time creating a Shopify store, I encourage you to go ahead and go through that quick setup. Now to go ahead and find these settings, we're gonna go ahead and click on settings, and we'll go ahead and click on shipping and delivery. So here we have local delivery. So this is where you can go ahead and set that up. We can go ahead and click on setup, and right now we haven't selected a location. So first things first, we have to create a location. So come in here to location and click on add location to go ahead and set that up. Once that's set up, be able to go ahead and enable local delivery. Next is the pickup in store, which is right below it. So go ahead and click on setup. Again, same thing. You need to go ahead and set up the location first, but that's how easy it is to go ahead and set this up inside of Shopify. Tips for running local pickup smoothly. Once your pickup option is live, there are a few things that can make the experience better for your customers. First, designate a pickup area. This could be a counter, front desk, or curbside pickup spot where customers know exactly where to go. Second, make sure your orders are clearly labeled and organized. Nothing slows things down like digging through packages trying to find someone's order. Third, communicate clearly with your customers. Your order confirmation email should include instructions explaining where to go, what hours pickup is available, whether they need ID or order confirmation. These small details can make pickup feel quick and convenient. Tips for running local delivery. Local delivery can also become a powerful feature if managed properly. So start by defining a delivery radius that makes logistical sense for your team. If you're just getting started, it's better to keep the radius smaller so you can deliver efficiently. As demand grows, you can always expand the delivery area. Next, plan your delivery windows. Some businesses deliver once per day, while others offer same-day delivery for orders placed before cutoff time. Communicating these expectations clearly helps avoid confusion. Finally, make sure your packaging protects your products during transportation. Fragile items should be padded properly, and food items may require insulated packaging. A smooth delivery experience encourages customers to order again. Promote your local options. Once pickup and delivery are enabled, don't forget to actually promote them. A lot of stores turn the feature on but never tell customers about it. Add messaging to your homepage, product pages, announcement bar, and checkout page. For example, you might add a banner that says local pickup available, ready in 2 hours, or free local delivery for orders over $50. These small messages can significantly increase local conversions. So adding local pickup and delivery to your Shopify store is one of the easiest ways to improve convenience for nearby customers. Some shoppers want their order immediately, while others simply prefer not to pay for shipping. By giving customers these additional fulfillment options, you remove friction and make it easier for them to complete their purchase. The setup only takes a few minutes inside Shopify, but can make a big difference in how flexible and competitive your store feels. So if you want to explore more Shopify tutorials, then make sure you subscribe, because we cover everything from store setup to marketing strategies that help you grow your e-commerce business. If you want to get started with Shopify, we've got that link for you down in the description below. This is an affiliate link, which means we earn a small commission when you use it at no extra cost to you. These commissions really help support the channel and allow us to continue to create free content just like this. So if you use them, we thank you so much in advance. Again, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Here on the channel, we're dedicated to helping you succeed with e-commerce by providing tips, strategies, and insights to grow your online business. So be sure and subscribe. But other than that, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you here in the next video.